Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so I have downloaded the WhatsApp to show you how to do it. So simply open up your WhatsApp, the app welcomes us, as you can see. Now simply select your language, then click on that green arrow. In here click on agree and continue. Click on allow to send the notifications. In here select your phone number, then click on next. Okay, and once you have verified, click on continue. And before doing all that stuff that I'm just doing, remember that if you want to restore the WhatsApp backup in the device settings of this device, you need to be logged into your Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is crucial, otherwise you won't be able to restore your chats. So now simply log into the account on which you made the backup earlier. Alright, now click on continue, click on allow, and allow, and now we have option to restore our chats. As you can see, in my case I made my backup 3 minutes ago. Below we have the size of it and the account on which I made it, and this is the account that I'm currently logged into in the settings of this phone. So it is crucial, and remember about it. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a video when I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want you can look for it. And remember that if you don't restore your chats now, there is a chance that you won't be able to do it later, so I suggest you should do it now. Okay, once everything is done and known, click on this green button restore. Now wait until it will be finished. In my case it's not going to take long because I don't have that many messages. Alright, the backup is successfully restored. You can see that 17 messages has been restored and our media will restore in the background. Now click on next. Under the profile info simply type your name, and if you are interested in changing the profile photo, you can do it by clicking on that green button. Now click on next, and now as you take a look, you can see that all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.